Hello, my dear creatives. Olga Sarakina here. Mark your calendars. The iPad for Architects Summit officially kicks off this March, and it's already creating a buzz. I'm so excited to be teaching there a 45-minute session on the making of an interior sketch with Procreate. This was a real sketch commission. It's based on a real client project, and I'll be giving you behind the scenes look at my coloring process in iPad for Architects Summit. So I started with a hand-drawn liner sketch, as you can see, and then I traced it in Procreate. As a bonus, in my freebie, I'm providing a link to download that liner sketch so you can practice coloring it in Procreate yourself. So what you will learn from my session, you will learn my full Procreate workflow from underpainting to final details. You will learn how to use the right brushes and techniques to create textures like wood, velvet, and reflections. You will learn my time-saving methods to optimize your process and work faster, and you'll also learn how to present your sketches professionally for clients. This session is all about unveiling my coloring process in Procreate, revealing exactly step by step how I bring designs to life with this blend of techniques and tools that Procreate allows. So this online summit is an absolute must attend for anyone passionate about architectural design and sketching. The summit is packed with amazing workshops and sessions where you will explore the latest techniques, apps, tools that can elevate your creative process. There are over 20 video workshops from industry experts dedicated to iPad drawing. These sessions cover a range of apps including Morpholio, Trace, Procreate, Concepts, SketchUp. Check out the free registration link in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon for more updates. I can't wait to see you at the summit.